I am amazed. I am dumbfounded. I'm English. Home. Just get me this side. Just get me all this. Boy, get me all this. Then let's try here. You will not believe that this is done by one person. Listen, even if you don't like him, even if you are not a lover of him, but for the fact that you love good things, guy, go to comment section, type Evangelist Ebuka Obi, thank you for bringing light to Southeast. Jesus Christ. How do I explain to people that the person that owns this thing is not a politician? Because those days when they say men of God or man of God, and when you get the kind of eye when they take see men of God, that is to tell you that God is a giver of riches and wealth. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, God will never disappoint you. God will bless. Imagine this project sitting on 22,000 plots of land. Look at hotels, hostels, done by what? Evangelist Ebuka Obi, God will bless you. See, let me tell you. You see, how cities develop? How cities they develop? How cities? I was just passing my bata here. Even DSS bata security bata. I must get that 11 naga. Ama mebem gaga. Eshmeche. A lot of customer connect about road. But I hear, and from work they come. And as I speak to you, jobs are going. Our Lady of Grace Hostel, a hotel. Our Seat of Wisdom Hotel. Everywhere. Now let me shock you people. I have another place to show you. Please, if you love Ebuka Obi, share the video. Evangelist, Apama, I want to tell you that God will bless you for bringing development. For bringing development to start. If we start doing this, Nothing for TV. Oh my, I'm just surprised. I was seeing you live. I don't know say this kind of thing that happen. Enjoy. Okay, now, get on. You're blocking down my man. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I want to say thank you for bringing this to service. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. And don't forget, we have a program coming up on 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. Evangelist Ako Zion. I'm invited to, but for bringing me now, I'm angry with you. So here you have been anointing my blessing again. If you hate Ebuka Obi, you hate yourself. If you love him, you love yourself. Whether you hate him or you like him, type congratulations and share this video. One person, even when you are having a program here or you come for program, you don't need to bother yourself. Are you aware that this is a filling station? Telling you that inside Zion, inside this place, I'm not only talking about filling station. For now, this is the filling station, but I've seen fast foods. Where we say, if you come in here, boy, you get hotel. The problem I'm having here is the structures here are wonderful. Jesus. Come and take me together. The name of this place is, if you get strength, come walk. If you don't get strength, they go. That's the name. The name of this place is, if you have strength, come walk. If you don't get strength, come they go. There's a whole lot of job opportunities. Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I want you to my brother. If you watch this video from the beginning, you see that now this area is for residential, for people who would like to live close to the ministry, for people who would like to say, I want to stay close to the, every kingdom, there must be people that will stay close to the kingdom. Ever now, residential. I want to live close to Zion ministry. However, I want to stay close to Zion ministry. However, I want my family, myself, everybody to stay close to Zion ministry. However, the corner naga can I can I 80%, can I 80%. Never can this one now. I'm a China Kakasia. Can I a roofinia? Ndoro Gaga. Why would God bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi? And guess what? Security, security everywhere. So guys, I said, share the video, say thank you, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, for bringing this. Now let me tell you, outside joke, this is a city outside the city. This is a state outside Imo State. If you like, take it. If you like, don't take it. Because I know the distance Shibewa here. This is my first time coming to this place. Hotels, even I don't care hotels. Then Ebe na Ozi, residential, Ebe game, on all like Briwezie. Agwanaga no munne. Agwanaga. Natakwana ego, Ono na ego na quarter to no we tram some major here. But him like road foundation, just the very foundation.
Very high one.
Just see the DPC as a builder, they're going to DPC. So when we have a game on the road here, as a money pattern to combine. Over them, we are together, We are together, Well, the better structures.
Hospital no inside.
Hospital?
Yeah, hospital inside. School no inside.
Hospital no inside here?
Yes.
School no here?
Yes.
So this is a complete state?
Yes.
I can work with more. I can work with field.
Yeah,
I can work with swimming pool. My banks.
My zoo.
So I be
zoo also.
Zoo?
Yeah, I don't want it.
I mean, so you be here when the business going to about or coming to where? Ebuka Obi Evangelist Ebuka Obi ma creating a state here. Oga with the governor because I want as him in a place where there is bank, where there is hospital, where there is school, where there is a zoo, where there is a recreation center like playground. You live, security, good road. I like it,